Good morning all students. Once again welcome on online classes. In today lecture of class 9th maths. Lecture first we will discuss chapter 11. Okay, construction. Chapter 10 circles we already completed in previous lecture. So in today lecture we will discuss chapter 11 construction. In construction we will discuss that how we will draw the perpendicular bisector, then after how we will justify that one, how we will draw the angle 90 degree, then after how we will justify that is the angle 90 degree, how we will draw the angle 60 degree, and how we will justify, that we will discuss in today lecture. So in construction, first of all we will discuss exercise 11.1. In exercise 11.1, first of all we will discuss the how we will draw the perpendicular bisector. How we will draw the perpendicular bisector, that we will discuss in that lecture. So first point is to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment and verify. How we will draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment and how we will verify. For example, a line segment is given to you AB and question is that draw the perpendicular bisector of that given line segment and verify your answer. So students, how we will verify? So first of all, how we will draw the perpendicular bisector? First of all we will open the compass AB मोर देन हाफ. जो AB की लेंथ है उसके मोर देन हाफ ओपन करना है. सपोज ये मोर देन हाफ हो गया. कट एन आर्क अप एंड डाउन, कट एन आर्क अप डाउन फ्रॉम पॉइंट B, कट एन आर्क अप एंड डाउन. नाउ वी विल join them. Let that is point Q and point R. For verification we will join. For वेरिफिकेशन, अब इसको वेरीफाई करते हैं. हाउ विल डू वेरीफाई? फॉर वेरीफाई ज्वाइन A to Q, we will join Q to B, we will join A to R and R to B. So we will join all of them, Q to A, Q to B, Q to R and Q to R to B. Join. After that we will prove first of all triangle EQR and triangle RBQ both are congruent. So in triangle QAR and second triangle QBR. In triangle QAR and QBR, first of all AQ is equals to BQ. Why AQ is equals to BQ? Because the radius of same arc, ये देखो radius of same arc है और arc of same radius, that is arc of equal radius. Second, ER is equals to BR, here also same reason, arc of equal radius. And third point is that QR is equals to QR, which is common. So triangle QAR is congruent with triangle QBR using which rule? SSS rule. So using SSS rule. So by using CPCT, CPCT से क्या होगा, वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ दिस, एंगल 1 दे दो, उसको 2 दे दो. So by using CPCT, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. That is the equation number first. Now second, again we will prove that this triangle and this triangle both are congruent. Now students, how we will prove that given two triangles are congruent? So second of, in triangle AQP and second triangle BQP. In triangle AQP and triangle BQP, AQ is equals to BQ. Reason is that arc of equal radii. Second is that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Reason is from equation number first. And third is PQ is equals to PQ is that common. So triangle AQP is congruent triangle BQP, using which rule? SAS rule. Both triangle are congruent. Now by using CPCT again, you will give let that is x and that is y. So again by using CPCT, angle x is equals to angle y and AP is equals to PB. But proof क्या करना है, x is equals to y is equals to 90 and AP is equals to PB. So how we will prove? But angle x plus angle y is equals to 180 degree. What is the value? X, y value also x, 180 degree. Twice of angle x is equals to 180 degree. So x value is 180 upon 2, 90 degree. So x equals to y is equals to 90. So QR is perpendicular bisector of AB. Hence, so that is the students justification of the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. How we will draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment and how we will justify. Understand? So first of all we will do construction. Construction में क्या किया है? Join Q2A, Q2B, A2R and B2R. After of joining them, firstly we will prove that triangle AQR and triangle BQR both are congruent. After proving bigger triangle congruent, smaller triangle are also congruent. Triangle AQP and triangle BQP both are also congruent. Understand? Now second is that how we will draw the angles. Now we will discuss drawing or to construct the angles. How we will construct the angle with the help of compass. So which angle we can construct with the help of compass? Multiple of 15 degree. So next is construction of angle. In construction of angle, first is 60 degree. So how we will draw angle 60 degree? First off, that is the initial ray PQ. Open your compass according to you of any radius and make arc. From that point, cut an arc. That point, that join arc point, point A, point B. So that represent the 60 degree. Okay, and how we will verify? In verify, here PA is equals to PB, reason arc of equal radius. Second is that AB is equals to PB also, arc of equal radius. So what we conclude here, so PA is equals to PB, which is equals to AB. So triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So angle BPA is equals to 60 degree will come. That is the diagram of angle 60 degree and the justification of that one. Now second is that how we will draw the 30 degree angle. So 30 degree angle, PQ is any ray. First 60 degree. 60 degree we will do bisector. One time put compass still needle here, then cut an arc, then here cut an arc. One time यहाँ पे put करना है, arc cut करनी है, then second time here, then join. That represent the angle 60 degree. अब आपको बनाना है 15 डिग्री. सो 15 डिग्री किसका बाइसेक्टर होगा? 15 डिग्री इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल 30 डिग्री. आपको फॉर्म करना है एंगल 15 डिग्री, 30 का हाफ हो गया. 7.5 फॉर्म करना है, किसका बाइसेक्टर होगा? 15 डिग्री का बाइसेक्टर होगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट 90 डिग्री. degree. So how we will draw the angle 90 degree? Point A, second point is B. First time cut an arc, that is point X 60 degree. Second time cut an arc, point Y 120 degree. Now we will do the bisector, that is 90 degree, and that is point B. Now how we will do verify that form an angle 90 degree. So students, how we will verify that form angle 90 degree? First of all, we will join here point Q. Join A to X, Y to A, Y to P, and that one. So in verification process, join A to X, A to P, P to Y and Y to A. And that also okay, ये भी join करवा लो. X to Q. So how we will verify here? AX is equals to AQ is equals to XQ. Arc of equal radius. So angle XAQ is equals to 60 degree. Second, how we will do AY is equals to that one is equals to that one. So ये क्या बनेगा आपका 60 डिग्री बनेगा, इसका बाइसेक्टर होगा, क्या फॉर्म होगा? 30 डिग्री फॉर्म होगा. Here angle PAX is half of angle YAX, but एंगल YAX is equals to क्या है? 60 डिग्री. सो एंगल PAX 1/2 into 60, that will come 30 degree. Now एंगल PAQ आपको रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो PAQ can be written as angle PAX plus angle XAQ. What is the value of angle PAX? PAX value 60 degree plus 30 degree, that will come 90 degree. So angle PAQ is the 90. So that is the verification of angle 90 degree. So first of all आपको 90 degree angle form करना है, then after you will do verification. Understand students? So in today lecture we discuss exercise 11.1, how we will do justification of the perpendicular bisectors of a given line segment and how we will verify the given angle. So after watching that video, all students do exercise 11.1. In 11.1 only the construction of angles, nothing else, and verification. Some angle with the help of protractor you will form and some angle with the help of compass you will form. Okay, thank you.